OCU's made it super accommodating for me to get to class, work around my schedule, take classes at night. The jump going back to school was scary at first, but OCU's really made that easy for me, and I enjoy all the classes I've taken.
I work at a utility company here in Oklahoma City. I've been there for over 6 years. I wanted to take the next step in terms of developing myself, so I wanted to pursue a professional MBA. It's something part-time because I work full-time. I'm married as well, so I needed to find something that would fit between my personal schedule and my work schedule. And this program did a good job of meeting that need.
We were all in the same position. We all had jobs and we were all tired, and we had to fit in the work and find ways to do that. And so the faculty and the staff, they all have work experience, and they're all very sensitive to that, and they appreciate, that life events happen and that there's work going on, and they're very accommodating. When I got my degree in energy management, I took class once a week, but now there's the opportunity for you to take a full degree all online. What's great about this degree is you don't have to have the GMAT to be in the program.
What makes us unique is really, I think, our focus on our students. We start from day one with, is this degree program the right degree program for you? What are you trying to accomplish by pursuing this degree? And that conversation continues throughout the entire degree program and beyond as an alum.